Why you should watch Hidden Love, a C-drama. Have you ever watched a drama that made you smile for absolutely no reason? A drama where the story feels warm, the characters feel relatable, and even the smallest moments somehow stay in your mind? Well, if you haven't watched the drama Hidden Love yet, let me give you a few reasons why you should definitely consider watching it. And don't worry, no major spoilers. 1. It's more than just a romance. At first glance, Hidden Love looks like a simple love story. But it's actually much more than that. The drama is about growing up, understanding your feelings, becoming independent, dealing with family, and learning what a healthy relationship looks like. You get to see the characters change as they grow older, and that's one of the most enjoyable parts of the story. It's not just about, I like you, you like me. It's about understanding what love actually means when you're mature enough to handle it. 2. The romance feels sweet and natural. One of the biggest reasons people love Hidden Love is its romance. The chemistry between the main characters is one of the highlights of the drama, but what makes it special is that the relationship isn't built entirely around unnecessary fights, jealousy, or dramatic misunderstandings. Instead, we see care, trust, support, teasing, comfort, and genuine affection. And honestly, sometimes the smallest moments are more memorable than the big romantic scenes. A simple conversation, a little act of kindness, the way one character notices something about the other. Those small moments slowly build the relationship, and that's what makes the romance so satisfying to watch. 3. It teaches you about healthy relationships. This is something I really like about Hidden Love. The drama shows that love isn't just about getting butterflies in your stomach. A healthy relationship also needs respect, communication, trust, and emotional support. You can love someone and still respect their personal space. You can be in a relationship and still have your own goals. And you can support someone without trying to control their entire life. That's actually a pretty important lesson. 4. The characters grow as people. Another reason to watch this drama is the character development. We don't just watch the characters fall in love. We watch them grow up. They start understanding themselves better, becoming more confident, making their own decisions, and thinking about their future. And this makes the story more relatable because growing up is something all of us experience. We aren't the same person we were a few years ago. Our priorities change. Our dreams change. And sometimes, even our understanding of love changes. Hidden Love captures that feeling beautifully. 5. Family is also an important part of the story. If you think this drama is only about romance, you're wrong. Family plays an important role too. We get to see sibling relationships, parental concerns, arguments, teasing, misunderstandings, and moments where you realize that sometimes people show their love in very different ways. The family scenes also add humor and make the characters feel more real. 6. It gives you that comforting feeling. And now comes one of the biggest reasons to watch it. The vibe. Some dramas are intense. Some are emotionally exhausting, and some leave you thinking, why did I just put myself through that? But Hidden Love often gives you that warm, comforting feeling. It's the kind of drama you can watch after a long day and simply enjoy. The cute interactions, friendships, family moments, romance, and beautiful settings all come together to create a very cozy atmosphere. 7. But don't take everything as real-life relationship advice. Now, let's be honest. Hidden Love is still a romantic drama. So, some situations are idealized, and real-life relationships are obviously more complicated. You shouldn't expect your real life to look exactly like a C-drama. Instead, enjoy the story while paying attention to the good things it teaches, like communication, respect, emotional maturity, and maintaining your own identity. Final thoughts. So, should you watch Hidden Love? If you enjoy slow burn romance, cute chemistry, emotional growth, family moments, comedy, and wholesome storytelling, then yes, give it a try. But don't watch it only because everyone says it's romantic. Watch it because underneath the romance, it's also a story about growing up and learning how to love without losing yourself. And maybe that's why Hidden Love feels so special. Because sometimes, the best love stories aren't just about two people finding each other. They're about two people becoming better versions of themselves along the way. So, if Hidden Love has been sitting on your watch list for a while, maybe it's finally time to press play. And if you've already watched it, tell me in the comments, what was your favorite thing about Hidden Love? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.